Hey guys, we have another big project day around here.
Always.
What are you gonna do?
We're gonna do some electrical up on the, let's do that again.
Running a business side by side with your spouse is actually really fun. Renovating is a lot of work, and talking and engaging with hundreds of thousands of people online every day can take it out of you, and so making sure that we have a good night's sleep every night is something that we really value and make a top priority.
I'm Chris Markham.
And I'm Julia, and we're the founders of Chris Loves Julia.
We are bloggers, and we write about the renovation of our home, a little bit of our family life, and just share it with anybody who cares to pay attention, I guess. In addition to working together, we are also building our life together. We have 3 wonderful little girls. They have so much energy, and we try to keep up with them as best as we can. You have a color picked out for it?
Well, I want
Julia is the ambition, and I'm more of the anchor.
That's so good.
Get that set up. So how's Andy feeling?
I think the most important lesson that Chris has taught me is relationships matter probably more than anything else.
See these comments.
I definitely can get caught up in work, and I do feel like the weight of our job and our finances, it does weigh on me at times.
Hey, come get your coat on.
One of the big things that Chris does to support me, making sure I get enough sleep,
Head on out.
is helping out with getting our oldest on the bus in the morning so that I can go to the gym.
We're super slippery on ice. So because we're doing so much, there are a few things that we do to make sure that we can sleep. Exercise and being active throughout the day. We lower the temperature in the house so it feels more comfortable. Phones on Do Not Disturb.
I leave my computer in the office and just walk away from it, like, bye work, going home now. Usually make some chamomile tea. I might read a great book to kind of take my mind somewhere else. We'll chat about our days a little bit. Tomorrow's my dad's birthday.
Yes.
And we need to get a gift still.
And we got a sleep number bed now that really helps each of us have the comfort that we need.
Better quality sleep equals better mood and a more upbeat, more happy day.
What do we do with sap? What do we do with sap?
Do you want some? Do you want a drink?
And then we have a big office update that we're gonna bring you along with too.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
The business is running smoother, the projects are getting done, the kids are happy,
And we have a good night's sleep to thank for it.